everyone. My name is Soraya. Welcome to my channel. Now I have a finished painting. It was a fluid pour that I created and I love the colors. They're really just neutrals. So there's some black and white and some gold, and I love the way the pattern looked on it. But I thought I would take that finished painting and do something more to it. So I want to take those regular fluid pours and take them up a notch to the next level, see what I could create with it. So that's what I'm going to do today. So let's see what happens. So I wanted to start off by showing you the colors that I'm using. This is Amsterdam Sky Blue Light and Liquitex Basics Acrylic Titanium White. And I use those two colors to fill in that white, stark white negative space there. And I chose those two colors because there's already a light blue in the painting. I added this sky blue because it's closer to the color in the middle of the painting. So after I'd finished with the blue, I decided to extend the areas of white to the edge of the canvas, and then I added the Deco Art Metallic 24 karat gold. I had also used this 24 karat gold in the pour already. There's a link in the description area with the full video of this pour. Here again, I'm adding another color, black, which is already in the painting. Since there was so much negative space, I knew I had to fill it in to make the painting make sense. I just wanted to show you the brush that I'm using, nothing special. It's well worn, as you can see, but it works wonders for me. At this point I decided that I needed another color, and I'm adding Pebeo Studios Payne's Gray. This was a natural area for a focal point, and so that's what I'm working on now. I go back and forth between areas to let them dry completely, and it gives me a chance to really focus on where I want the painting to go. I always work towards creating balance in a painting, not necessarily symmetry, but balance. That is important in my eye. So to create that balance, I brought the Payne's Gray to the left side of the painting. embellishing a pour, I suggest that you just keep some water and some paper towel around for just in case there's times where you've done something, you're not quite sure about it, you didn't quite turn out the way you liked. It's just as easy to wipe it off and start again. Often those quote mistakes end up being one of my favorite parts of the painting. So don't be afraid to try things. I sing next. You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off of you. You'd be like heaven to touch. I wanna hold you so much. At long last love has arrived. I thank God I'm alive. You're just too good to be true. There's a lot of beautiful details in this painting, and this shows you the overall look so far. And sometimes I have to make the hard decision to cover up those details for the sake of composition. You can see the difference how adding a little bit of the ultramarine violet really changes and gives depth to the painting. Depending on where I'm putting it and the colors beneath, it changes the color itself. So it adds a lot of interest as well. So along with the ultramarine violet, I used the Liquitex matte medium. A bit of the paint mixed with the matte medium allows the paint to change to more of a transparent look, and that way you can add color on top of color. So after all these years of painting, I still get a thrill when I see the painting coming together, the colors that are created by layering. It is a wonderful process. I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. This was an area that I really loved, and I hemmed and hawed about actually changing it, but in the end I felt that it was necessary. You can see here the difference that it made at covering up that area. If you're trying to do this yourself and you're unsure, you can always try it out. Have some water and paper towel around so that if you don't like it, you can wipe it off right away. But it's better to try it than not. If you're interested in purchasing this painting or any of my other paintings, look in the description area for my contact information. A lot of time, effort, and love is put in my paintings. I hope you're enjoying watching as much as I enjoyed painting this. I'm adding these subtle lines to emphasize the focal point. Now overall, this painting looks very light, but there is a lot of color. The variety of colors just add a lot more interest. This is some teal, which I thought was important to add. It just gave it that extra little touch. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell and give this video a thumbs up. I've found that over time, as my paintings and my style has evolved, they have become very spiritual in nature. That is, they look kind of ethereal and soft, and as if they're pointing to some other world. And so I'd like your opinion on that. Let me know what you think about it. Leave a comment. Okay, and here is the painting all done. I love what I see, especially this part where it looks like it's glowing from beneath. It's that sparkle from the gold that really makes that stand out. I used a lot of colors, as you saw, and you can see them all here, the purples and the teals, the various blues. But overall, it still looks kind of soft. It's a soft palette. And I think that looks really great. Let me know what you see in this painting. I always love to hear from you. And click on the link you see now to see more of my enhanced pours. And by the way, what I love about this painting is that you can change the orientation to any which way that you like. And I think it looks beautiful like this too, vertically. So that's the beauty of abstract art. I have named this painting Undeniably.